Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're living on autopilot, going through the motions, but not really growing? Maybe it's a job that drains you, a routine that's lost its spark, or a version of yourself you've outgrown. Here's the good news. You're not stuck. You're at a turning point. Today, you're not just going to learn how to reinvent yourself. You're going to discover the blueprint to becoming the person you've always wanted to be. Reinventing yourself isn't about making one massive leap. It's about mastering small, powerful shifts. Imagine standing in a room with people who've transformed their lives, from broke to thriving, from lost to purposeful. They all started with one decision: to change. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Let go of who you were. Most of us cling to who we've been because it's familiar. But your past doesn't define your future. Imagine your identity as a box filled with beliefs and habits. Ask yourself, which ones no longer serve you? Let them go. You're creating space for a new version of you. Step 2. Design your future self. Who do you want to become? Visualize it. What are you doing? How do you feel? Write down 3 small actions your future self does daily. Maybe it's waking up earlier or practicing gratitude. These habits align you with the person you're becoming. Step 3. Embrace micro shifts. Change feels overwhelming when you try to do it all at once. Instead, focus on micro shifts, tiny, consistent changes that build momentum. For example, start with 5 push-ups or 1 small act of courage. Over time, these shifts compound into transformation. Think about where you started. You've let go of the past, designed your future self, and embraced small shifts. Reinventing yourself isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Take one step today. The best version of you is closer than you think. Let's crush it together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your first step in this journey. Let's make it happen.